Hey guys, a couple of days ago, Sledgehammer had made a tweet showing the wall on Final Reich inside of the morgue office with all these pictures on it, and they said the word soon. I had made a video speculating that that was Heligoland and that was going to be our next map. Well, this pretty much confirms that, yeah, that was true, so very cool. I did make a video about that. You guys can check it out. I'll have it linked down in the description, but I go over the entire history of Heligoland and how the history could possibly tie in with some of the Easter egg steps. After that, they made another tweet showing a short little video clip of the characters walking around in fog. There's not a lot to talk about there, but you can check it out on their Twitter. Then earlier today, they posted a short video on their Facebook site, but it was on the German Call of Duty, so it's not on all of the Call of Duty Facebook, so I'm not even sure if this is supposed to be released yet. It's only about 10 seconds long, and there's no sound to it, and basically it shows a hole in the ground, and then you pan down to see this crazy looking statue with bleeding eyes holding a steer skull. The statue is standing in front of a pool, which is probably blood, who knows, and you can see these skeletons that look like they were chained down for like torture or ritual purposes. My guess is that this is 100% part of the either casual Easter egg or hardcore Easter egg, but they're definitely showing us some part of the Easter egg right here, and this is probably even a boss fight area. Now, I know that the history that they're using for their storyline is how Hitler back during World War II stole a bunch of the world's art and hid it underground in like salt mines. They took that history and put it into the storyline, and that was, a few of the steps for the casual Easter egg. We obviously went into salt mines, and then we had to, use the skull to reveal symbols on some of the stolen artwork. I was trying to see if the statue holding the skull is a part of some of the art that Hitler could have stolen, but I cannot find any information on like a creepy statue with bleeding eyes holding a steer or bull skull. The only thing I did find is some information about past religious events that happened on the island. They said that Heligoland is a tiny island less than a square mile in size and 29 miles off the German coastline in the North Sea. The name means Holy Land because of the island's religious association with the Frisian god Fossite, the god of justice, peace, and truth, identified with the Norse god Forseti. On the island, there was a well that was once sacred to Fossite and probably provided a focal point for his shrine. So is it possible that hole in the ground that they were showing was that well, and this is some kind of a shrine with this island's name meaning Holy Land, and there being different types of religious practices here, like paganism and stuff. Yeah, it's possible this is what it's referring to. I was looking up Forseti and this Fossite god, and it said that Fossite's sacred island was Heligoland. So if they're going to be using any kind of history of this island, that is a very good possibility, and that is what they could be showing again in that short clip. I could be completely wrong about this, and most likely I am, but I was just trying to find things that match up that could explain it. I couldn't find a lot of information about this shrine or well that was dedicated to him, or even a picture that really looks like what this statue looks like. So it's kind of a reach, but it's still interesting and still a possibility. So I just wanted to show you guys. Also, I think maybe around 10 a.m. Pacific time, they're going to be actually releasing some kind of full trailer for this zombies map. That seems like what they're doing by, announcing all these little teasers. So keep an eye out for that, and I'll do a little breakdown video of it and see how it compares to the information that we've been able to, find on the island so far. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll see you next video.